Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find scheduled or scheduled, depending on the pronunciation you want to use, how to find scheduled or scheduled posts in Tumblr app using your mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is open the Tumblr app. So make sure you're logged into the Tumblr app on your phone. Then you go to your account by tapping on the account icon, which is usually a person silhouette at the bottom of the screen. Next, access your posts by finding a section specifically called posts or drafts. If you can't find either of them, look for options like queue or scheduled within this section. So you access your posts using posts or drafts, and then you look for the option called queue or scheduled or scheduled. Next, if you find a queue or scheduled option, then tap on it. This should display a list of all your posts that are scheduled or scheduled to be published in the future. Note: the exact location of your scheduled or scheduled posts might vary slightly depending on the latest version of the Tumblr app. If you're still having trouble finding your scheduled posts, try searching within the app for terms like queue, schedule, or draft. I believe you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day, and ring the notification bell so you can get our latest videos as soon as they are published. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.